Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making stewed beans. I get this question on how I cook my beans overnight, so keep watching and let's begin. First, I will transfer my beans into a tray and pick the bad ones or stones. As you can see, I'm using honey beans. You can also use black eye beans. Once that is done, I will transfer in a bowl and wash it really well. Next, I will transfer in a boiling water and allow it to come to a boil. This process helps to get rid of the gas that causes heartburn. At this time, the beans has come to a boil. Next, I will take it to my sink and sieve it. I will add water to the level of the beans, cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat until the water dries. At this time, I check on the beans and I notice that the water has dried completely. Next, I will cover with foil and turn off the heat. The next day, I opened the beans and shared it into two. I will cook half and transfer the other half in my freezer. If you are suffering from bloating or heartburn after eating beans, try this method. Leaving your beans overnight will help to get rid of any gas that causes the heartburn. I will proceed by adding small amount of salt and little water, cover and allow it to cook on a low heat. The next step is to make my stew. In a pot, I will add vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will go in with my chopped onions, allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will add my tomato paste and allow it to fry until the sour taste is no more. Once that is done, I will add my blended fresh tomatoes and peppers. I will mix well to combine and season with seasoning cubes and all-purpose seasoning. I will mix to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will add meat stock and the stew is ready. I'm going to pour the stew in my cooked beans and allow it to cook on a low heat so that the beans will absorb the stew. While that is cooking, I will fry my plantain. At this time, I check on the beans and it's ready. I will give it a good mix and we are done. This method is very nice. Try it and thank me later. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.